Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to watch YouTube videos offline. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube and after that choose the video that you want to download. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, go and look to the options here below the video and go to download. Click on it, and after that download. I will download it in low quality, so here you have to choose the quality. Click on download, and after that, when you want to watch it offline, go to and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen, and after that go to downloads, as you can see. And as you can see, this video is still downloading, but after it complete downloading, like the video that I already downloaded,
الرئيس
I
الأمريكي
can
السابق
watch
دونالد
it
ترامب
even if I don't have internet without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.